Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Benidorm Scooter Sue here. So I'm outside one of Uncle Peds bars, the British House and Avenida Mediterraneo. And I have been hearing some rumours that it's gone, it's closed. Now, whether it's gone for good, I don't know. Still all its signs up, but as you can see, no sign of life. So what do you think, guys? Has it actually gone? Or is it just shut for the moment? Don't know. If you do know, let me know. But still got everything up, still got its chalkboards up, still got prices up, but the shutters are down. Just facing across the road from where you get the Elsa bus. It definitely does look like may have gone. There's nothing that says it's closed for holidays like they would normally put up if that was the reason that they were shut. And as you can see, the bike shop next door, Marco Polo, is even using some of their fronts. So hit the like, guys, hit the share, hit subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell as well, so that you'll always be notified of when I upload more great content. Keep watching the channel as well, guys, for more new content coming up. And I will see you very soon on the next one.